The current war has totally changed the northern part of Israel.
They're shooting, it doesn't matter where it falls.
The rate of PTSD, mainly in Israel, is accelerating.
The impact on children is tremendous.
They come from the front to our office, with the dust of the war.
We've got about 15,000 war-injured people.
There is shortage of doctors in Israel.
I believe that we're standing in front of a historic moment.
We tend to look at conflict and the crisis as an opportunity for transformation, from starting anew and building something which is healthy.
You need data in order to see if what you're doing works, because we're in a new frontier.
We do intervention in all over the community, especially in the northern of Israel.
We're not affiliated with any political movement, with any ideology. We're not left or right, religious or secular. We're academics.
We are equipped with all the tools, and we are the one to support the rehabilitation of the North.
The resilience of the Israeli society, the resilience of the north of Israel is dependent on what is happening here at the University of Haifa.